In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a quick Power BI report from an Excel worksheet. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Power BI program. You can either do this through the Power BI desktop application or their online service, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, the next decision to make is choosing your data source. Power BI offers a variety of options, and you can start either by selecting a specific data source that you already have in mind, or, if you prefer, you can select a blank report. For our demonstration today, we'll be importing data from an Excel worksheet, which is a common format many of us work with. If you don't already have a dataset prepared, don't worry. I'll use some sample data for the purpose of this demonstration. This will make it easy to follow along and see the process in action. To import your data, you'll need to locate and open the import functionality. It's usually straightforward. Just find the import option, navigate to your Excel file, and then proceed by clicking on Load. This step is critical as it brings your data into the Power BI environment, allowing you to manipulate and visualize it as needed. Once your data is loaded, you'll notice that Power BI presents a right-hand panel with various visualization options. These visualizations are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to represent your data in meaningful and insightful ways. Go ahead and select a visualization type that you believe best suits your data and the story you want to tell. There's a variety of diagrams to choose from, including bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and more, each serving a specific purpose. With your visualization type selected, it's time to bring in your data. Over on the data panel, you'll see a list of the fields from your Excel sheet that you imported. These fields are your data categories and metrics. All you have to do is drag and drop the relevant data fields onto the areas indicated by the visualization you chose. This action will populate your diagram with the data, providing an immediate visual representation. And just like that, you've created a quick Power BI report from an Excel worksheet. It's a simple and efficient process that transforms raw data into insightful and interactive visualizations. Power BI has definitely made data visualization approachable, even for those who may not be deeply versed in data analysis tools. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to explore deeper into the potentials of Power BI. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.